Hello my wonderful founder family. Each and every single one of you is so very important to our fabulous company. Go founders, Onpassive will look out for you every step of the way. Even if you have failed at every business you have ever tried, you will have success here. And it will be a monumental success. Know that, feel that, believe that, because it's the truth. Sponsor no one, and wait for your company to do all the work for you, and your success will come, but it will take some time. Your patience will pay off in a big way, eventually. No losing here. Build a team now, and along with your company working for you, your success will come much, much faster, which is what I am happily and gratefully trying to do every single day. The choice is always yours though, always. What a privileged place we each find ourselves today. Most of you already know that to your core, don't you? Our CEO speaks often of this being his legacy, but because Yao chose to join him in this wonderful, life-changing journey, it is your legacy, as well.